sis, welcome back to another nail vlog. Today we are using these nails that I bought from AliExpress. I believe I got these for $2, and I will be using my UV nail kit. Don't price check me on that, I don't remember. So as always, my nails are, I actually just took off those kiss nails, so they're pretty much prepped. I just have to go in with my file to make sure that we have our nails nice and ready. So we like to rough off our nails before we could place the tips on top, and we need, like, you know, a nice grip. So I still had the make sure you get off all that gel. Excuse my hands if they're a little ashy. I've been like literally cleaning up my room all day. You see that shine? We don't want that. Okay, so my nails are all ready to go for the most part. You could grab some acetone, your favorite acetone, a pad, and yeah. If you watch my other nail videos, this part is pretty much, oh my gosh, this part is pretty much repetitive. I'm gonna add some skip times in the description below, so if you just want to see how I apply this particular nail or how I do the UV gel, you can just skip to that section right there and get yourself situated. Yeah. Whew. I'm gonna take a dry one and just go over it like that, because we want our nails to be dry as possible. I did have one of those little like brushes. I don't know what happened to it. Oh yeah, I actually turned it into a makeup brush. Haha. I was being so lazy. Okay, so we're ready. We're gonna go in with these nails. Like always, we're gonna lay out our nails, but we could just pop them right on. Oh my god, this pack is kind of tricky. Okay, time lapse.
They be lying on me, they be lying on me, though. When my back against the wall, no one that I can call. They gon' throw me right down with the phone. I'ma get all of these bands and I'ma go and ball. She like to go on my phone, I like to be alone. Count up the racks alone, baby, leave me alone. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so 5, we're ready to go. I know. Before you call me crazy, I am crazy because I'm using freaking crazy glue. I'm using crazy glue to put on these nails. The last time I did it, I literally had them on for like 2 weeks. So we're going in with the crazy glue. So yeah, great. Let's make sure it's not. Oh no, did it dry up? Ah, hold on, this might be the wrong one. Okay, let's see. Please, please, please. I think this looks fresh. This looks like the one I use. Alright. So it works. Don't ask me why I just do it on the damn table. Please don't. Alright, so we're gonna start on this hand first. What I like to do is size out the nail first. Like, yes, we did put it in the right spot, but you can make mistakes. So yeah, size it, fit it, then put it on. So measure twice, place once. And just like the other glue, we're just gonna place a nice dot. Literally, that's all you need. So cute. I'm gonna keep them long because yeah, she's bougie. Everything's falling down. Everything's falling down. I just like to like really push it in there. Even the sides, like lock them in. Make sure you don't have no air bubbles, because the air bubbles will be the death of your nails, okay? Tina told you. Okay, so we have 4 nails on. Well, I haven't measured them. I just really believed in myself. Make sure that's the right thumb. The thumb, I do tend to put a little bit more. Alright, so, oh, that's the only thing I don't like about this freaking crazy glue is that your freaking hands, once they get stuck together, it's like, that's up. So, one hand done. Let's move on to the next one. For my hands be stuck together as freaking one. Okay, so our nails are on. They're nice and long. And you see those little points at the end? I'm going to take my nail file and file them down. Oh, wait. Plug up your glue. Okay, so what I'm going to do is grab my... It says they just fly right off. If you want to, you know, shape them, they're easy to shape. I did short nails before. Okay, yeah, this step, we do this right before we put on the removal. Now we could do the removal. This is like nail polish removal. It's not like a special way to take it off. And if it is a special way, girl, we ain't professional yet. So now we're ready. We're ready. Okay, so I have my little machine. It's a little light. Boom. It's not like crazy high powered. Honestly, I noticed that they last longer on tips than on my actual nails. So I only use this machine when I'm doing my tips. So here's our base coat. I'm gonna open her up. You see it has crazy spillage. Make sure you don't be like me. So first step, you're gonna put, well no, this is actually the third step. And then cure your nails. I have to like pick it up like this because, yeah, it's mad small. I want to get a bigger one. You know what? That should be my next purchase. I'm going to buy a bigger UV gel machine. Like, this one does it for the acrylics, but I can't use it for my regular nails because maybe it's the formula, maybe it's this cheap little thing, but it just doesn't stay on long. It's so annoying. And I have to hold it. So, yeah. Alright, so since our base coat is now applied and cured, it's time to apply our... Okay. Oh, that color is so... It's like money green. Not money green. It's like money blue. So, yeah. Let's start painting. I'll touch my face. It has makeup on it. Cool.
They be lying on me, they be lying on me, dog. When my back against the wall, no one that I could call. They gon' throw me right there with the phone. I'ma get all of these bands and I'ma go and ball. She like to call my phone, I like to be alone. Count up the racks alone, baby see me alone. Yeah, yeah. Let me tell you the story from the beginning. At the bottom.
Okay, so my nails are boom. So let's cure them. Man, so I apply another layer to it because it's really gonna like pop, 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 pop. Coat 2. Actually, I'm just gonna like speed through this because honestly, it's just repetitive. Definitely comment down below if you would like for me to just like post like the repetitive part about it, because just like in my most recent nail video, I just posted the, I guess the left hand. Yeah, I just posted the left hand, and anything I was doing on the right hand that was like repetitive, I just didn't do it because it's literally the same thing. So, yeah. Let's catch up. See how it's like even more blue. And like, since it's gonna be even more blue, it's gonna be even more silver. So, okay, second coat is done. Now we just have to cure and, yeah. Alright sis, we're almost there. So I cured my nails for the last time. I'm just gonna like put that in there for the time being. And now it's time to use our top coat. This came with the kit as well. Yeah. So what I like to do is just paint a nice layer on top, like we did the base coat. And then we're almost at the finish line. Rocking and rolling and rolling and rocking. Alright, so I'm done. So you're gonna grab your good old UV gel cleanser and pop that bad boy open. And this is gonna help. I don't know. I really don't know what this helps. I think it just helps like cleanse the gel. I don't know. That's just what it's called. So don't quote me. And there you have it, sis. My nails are gorgeous. I love them so much. And I hope you actually try out this good old style for yourself. And definitely comment down below if you want me to try another type of nail job, different type of color system, anything. Comment down below. See you guys back with another video. Peace.
I'm sinking at the bottom of the